Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI on August the 20th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $7.5 on pre-market hours. And this asset broke two crucial levels. It was the range of resistance at $7.14 and another range, the golden pocket range, if I pull the fib retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low at $7.26 and $7.32. And guys, in the same video I drew this type of forecast. I told you that we have to see the retracement, then we have to complete the fifth wave, and on top of that it was just a part of the entire blueprint. Right after we completed the fifth wave on a smaller scale, we have to see the retracement on a slightly bigger scale, and we have to break $8 mark as the range, as the major range of resistance right now. And take a look right here. This is the actual price action. Let me delete unnecessary tools for now. We were at this very point, and take a look right here. I caught basically to the tick this retracement, and for now we have the bottom of our fourth wave, perfect contender to be the bottom of our fourth wave right here. And we are starting to form the next wave to the upside, that will be the fifth wave on a smaller scale. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer for now, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look again on its price action, and I have to say that today's video will be dedicated more to the technical analysis as well, because we have a lack of news, and despite the lack of news we still have quite substantial movement to the upside. Let's continue with the fundamental news. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find basically any recent news that could be a catalyst, bullish catalyst for this asset. And that is why this asset is moving along the entire market. And if I add the QQQ index on this chart, as you can see, this white line represents the QQQ index of Nasdaq. You can see that we have very good correlation basically from the mid of July till present day. We have a very good correlation of its price action. And that is why, guys, this asset is quite strong for now. I have to admit that everyone is anticipating the rate cuts from Federal Reserve, and I have to admit that the market is pretty much in green, entirely in green for the last couple of weeks. But we still have to be cautious, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. Let's take a look on the forecast. Let's take a look on the consensus analyst price target from analysts. We have the price target, consensus analyst price target at about $9.14, which implies from our current price about 21.5% of upside potential. But we don't have recent updates from analytic firms. The most recent one was made at the very end of July, on July 31st. By Needham and Company LLC, and they said the price target at $10 mark. And I have to say that we also don't have any significant filings from the so-called smart money investors list. But at the same time, and I showed you this in my previous video, we have the highest number ever of institutional ownership in SOFI Technologies. This means more and more institutional investors want to have SOFI in their investment portfolios. But guys, definitely without news, without announcements from C-level executives, we have to be cautious because In a grand scheme of things, we have some tensions on the Middle East, and just several hours ago, Israel attacked the southern part of Lebanon, and potentially we might see the escalation of this conflict as well. And you know, United States of America is a part, is an ally of Israel. This means we might have more uncertainty on the market, and this means QQQ index will definitely go south, and in this case SOFI might also go to the lower price points again. But let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Let's first of all take a closer look on its recent price action. And with this ABC correction forecast, I almost caught it to the tick. We have, this is our first wave, this is the top of our B wave, and this is the bottom of our C wave. And if it is the case, this might be the bottom of the entire fourth wave, but it is quite shallow. Let me show you what I'm talking about. From this bottom, we have completed 5 waves on, oh no, not from this bottom, but from this bottom. We have completed 5-wave structure, internal 5 waves, and let me show you, if I pull the Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top, what ranges did we hit? Oh, exactly 0.382. And I was quite confused because when I was preparing for this video, I pulled this from this range, and we were exactly in nowhere's territory. We broke 0.236, but we didn't hit 0.382. But for now, I see my mistake, and we have very good confluence pretty much with the $7.14 range of support, and we hit it perfectly well. And 0.382 is quite decent range where we might have a trend reversal in the fourth wave on a slightly bigger scale, from this bottom to potentially the top that I marked right here. And we have to have potentially the top of our third wave on a slightly bigger scale at the top of the fifth wave. So let me, by the way, upgrade this scale because it is confusing a little bit. We have to use intermediate scale. So let's dive deeper inside this movement. From this bottom, guys, take a look right here. We have quite substantial volume. And this means from this lowest point, we might have from the lowest point, this is our first wave. Second, we are forming the third internal wave. Then we have to have the fourth one and fifth wave. So let's take a look on this. Let's take a look again right here. We have first wave, second, another first wave is right here, second, third, fourth, and we are about to see the fifth wave. Let's mark it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's downgrade this scale to sub-minuet or to micro. Then we have, this is our first wave on a slightly bigger scale. First, second, this will be the third wave, again fourth wave, and fifth wave that should be in line with this fifth wave. And if it is the case, guys, we are heading towards the range of resistance at about $8 mark. That range should be retested for the first time. Then we have to see the retracement to the fourth wave on a bigger scale, and then we might have an attempt to break it to the upside. So I have to say that for now it is quite difficult to make a conclusion that you have to enter your long trade from current price to the range of resistance, to this level, because we have a downside potential of pretty much the same, about 5% of downside potential with about 6.72% of upside potential. It doesn't worth your attention. Your potential entry point will be at this at the bottom of the fourth wave. But if you hold your position, if you've bought this asset somewhere back in the days, you can definitely hold your position with an anticipation to hit higher targets. And I will project this top when I have this bottom, because without two crucial points, the top of our third wave and the bottom of our fourth wave, I cannot project any price targets for the next waves. That is why, guys, just wait. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I